Welcome to the RVCC Tutoring Center. In this video, we'll be reviewing Chapter 4, Systems of Linear Equations in Two Variables for Elementary Algebra. All of these problems can be found on page 307, and the first problem, which is exercise 1, wants us to determine which ordered pair is the solution to the systems of equations. The ordered pairs that were given are 3, -1, and 1 and 2. The systems of equations that were given is 3x plus 2y is equal to 7, and 2x minus y is equal to 0. So first we're going to want to check our first ordered pair, 3, -1, by plugging in each of our solutions into the equation. So we're going to substitute 3 for x and -1 for y, which gives us 3 times 3 plus 2 times -1 is equal to 7. Then we simplify by multiplying, right? So we do 3 times 3 equals 9, 2 times -1 is equal to -2, and we add those together, which gives us 7 is equal to 7. So that works. It works in the first equation. Let's check the second equation. So we plug in our solution, right? And this gives us 6 plus 1, or 7 is equal to 0. So that does not work. So this ordered pair is not a solution to our systems of equations. So let's check the second one. So again, we're going to follow the same process by plugging in our numbers. We're going to add them together, make sure our answers work. We get 7 equals 7, so that's good. And then we are going to do it again with our second equation. Check to make sure that's good. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get 0 equals 0, so this is a solution. So between our ordered pairs, 3, -1 is not a solution, and 1, 2 is a solution. Our next problem is exercise 2, and it wants us to identify the solution to both equations and then check the solution. So the solution to this equation will be the point at which our two equations meet, right? So we see that our equations meet right here. So if we count that as 2 to the left and 1 down. So our solution will be -2, -1. So now we need to check it by plugging it into each of our equations. So first we're going to plug it into our blue equation, which is 2x plus y is equal to -5. Again, x for x and y for y. We multiply, so it's going to be -4 plus -1 is equal to -5. So that equals -5 is equal to -5, so that works. And then we're going to plug it into our second equation, x plus 4y is equal to -6. So we have -2 plus 4 times -1 is equal to -6. Okay, we multiply our 4 by our -1, which gives us -4. We add those together, which gives us -6 is equal to -6. So that solution works. Our last problem will be exercise 5, and it wants us to solve the system of linear equations using substitution. So the systems of equations that we're given is 3x plus 2y is equal to 9, and y is equal to 3x. So first we're going to substitute our y for 3x in our first equation. So this looks like this. So we have 3x plus 2, and instead of y we write 3x is equal to 9. So now we're going to multiply 2 times 3x, which gives us 6x. And then we're going to add 3x and 6x, which gives us 9x is equal to 9. And we divide both sides by 9 to isolate the x, which gives us x is equal to 1. Now we can substitute our x for 1 in the second equation. This gives us y is equal to 3 times 1, or y is just 3. So our solution to this equation is 1, 3. And this is the end of the chapter 4 review.